Today we're at UD Fossils in Utah. We're gonna dig up 500 million year old trilobites. I found three ones that have a bunch of trilobites. See, this one, that one, and then I found this giant one. I just split open this piece of rock and look how many trilobites I found. I just broke open this rock, and I'm the first one to touch this trilobite in about 500 million years. I had so much fun at UD Fossils in Utah. It was the best time ever. We found so many trilobites, and they even posed them for me. Look how amazing they are.